twist of the wrist. Kessel to Crosby, to Schultz, to Crosby, to Kessel. He scores. Rask was out of his crease, got caught in the traffic in front, and the Penguins' brilliant puck movement gives them a 2-0 lead on an open goal score by Phil Kessel.
You're so used to talking big names on the power play for the Pittsburgh Penguins, and Mike Sullivan started with a group of guys like Benito and Gensel and Ruhwedel, and you're just waiting for Kessel and Crosby to step on the ice, and here they come, and they get into the perfect setup again. Schultz able to quarterback that power play from the back end out by the blue line, play a little catch with Crosby. Crosby sells the shot and delivers a perfect pass for a one-timer for Phil Kessel. After Rask made a real nice save on a play by Kessel that set up Hornquist.